Yes, hi friends. In previous session, we are already discussing about what is the definition for binary tree and what are the different types of binary trees, right? So in this session, we are mainly concentrating on how to represent a binary trees or how to implement a binary trees, right? So generally, there are two ways to represent or to implement the binary trees. One is array representation. Second one is linked list representation. So there are two ways to represent or to implement the binary trees. One is array representation and second one is linked list representation. Now by using both representation, we can represent the data in the form of linear fashion, sequential fashion, but representation is different, structure is different, right? So array contains a sequence of homogeneous data items. Linked lists can be represented with the help of node structure, right? So here we are write each and every representation for binary trees. So what is the first representation? Array representation. Array representation. So in this representation, root node is placed at index 0. So our index is always starts from 0. So at the index 0, we are placing the root node of a binary tree, right? So coming to left child is placed at index 2i plus 1. So here I is nothing but index of parent node. So coming to right child is placed at index 2i plus 2. So here I is same thing. So index of the parent node, right? So here I am taking one binary tree A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? So this is the binary tree. Right? So how to represent this binary tree with the help of array, right? So here I am taking array. So what is the first rule? Root node is, what is the root node for this A? So root node is placed at index 0, A, right? Then what is the left child for root node B? So B is placed at 2i plus 1 position. So 2i plus 1. So I is nothing but index of the parent position. Index of parent. 2, 0, 0 plus 1. So at first position I am placing B, left child of root, right? Then what is the right child of root? C. So it is placed at 2i plus 2. So 2 into, so what is the index of parent? 0 plus 2. So at second position I am placing the right child of root node C, right? This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our array, right? Here what is the parent node for D? B. So that's why this can be considered as a root node. So B is presented at this one, right? So what is the left child for B? D. So D is placed at 2i plus 1 position. So here What is the parent node for D? So this is 0th position, first position, second position. So 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1. Right? So that is third position. So at third position, I am placing D. Right? So then, what is the right child for node B? E. So E is placed at 2i plus 2 position. So 2 into 1 plus 2, which is equivalent to 4. So at fourth position, I am placing E. Right? Then what is the parent node for F? 3. So this is left child. So that's why here I am using this formula. So 2 into 3 plus 1. That is 2 into 3 plus 1. 6 plus 1. 7. So at 7th position, I am placing F. So remaining are empty. So this is the array representation for this binary tree. Right? So here, simply root node is placed at index 0. Right child is placed at 2i plus 1 position. Left child, right child is placed at 2i plus 2 position. So here I is nothing but index of the parent node. Right? So this is about array representation. What is the second representation for binary trees? Linked list representation. Linked list representation. To represent binary trees with the help of linked list, we are using double linked list structure. Double linked list structure. Now in double linked list, each and every node contains 3 fields. So first, middle field represents the actual data of a node. Left field specifies the previous node address. Previous node address. Right field represents the next node address. Next node address. So based on this structure, I am representing the binary trees. Right? So here for binary tree, we are representing actual data. This represents the left child address. Left child address. This represents the right child address. Right child address. Right? So based on this representation, I am representing one binary tree. Right? With the help of double linked list. Right? So here I am taking one example. A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is our binary tree. So this binary tree can be represented with the help of double linked list. Right? So how to represent? So first of all, each and every node contains 3 fields. What is the actual data for this node? A. This can be placed at this position. So this represents the left child address. So B, address of B. So address of B. This one represents the address of C. Again, it contains 3 fields which represents the actual data. This is also represents the actual data of a node. So what is the left child for node B? D. So address of D, address of E. Address of E. Then so it does not contains any left children, right children. So simply we are placing null. So once there is no left children, right children, simply we are placing null values. Right? So here it represents the D. So here this, what is the left children for node D? F. So it represents the address of F. There is no right children. So that's why simply we are placing null value, right? Then this represents the address of F. So that's why here I am representing E node. So what are the left children and right children? No possible left children and right children. So that's why here I am placing null values, right? So then here, what is the address of left children of node D, F? So that's why here I am representing one more node, that is F. So F does not contains any left children and right children. So that's why simply we are placing null. So this is the linked list representation for binary trees. So here binary trees are represented with the help of double linked list data structure, right? So this is about representation of a binary trees, right? So if you have any doubts regarding to this session, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.